Hello all, welcome to the e-office training module of Chennai GST. In this video, we shall see about closing of files, parking and unparking of files. Firstly, in order to close a file, one needs to be having the closing permission, which is the role underscore closing assigned by the EMD manager. In case one does not have the closing permission activated, then the files need to be submitted here for closing approval to the higher authority. After which, on closure, it appears here in the closed by others hierarchy or closed by others all. The closing permission is usually there with the section head, division head or the commissioner and other higher authorities. Now let's see how we can close the file. Let me choose this file, and once this file opens, in the More tab, we see the Close File option and Close here. So in order to see the close file history, we can choose this option. In order to close a file, the only condition is that there should not be any attached files or receipts with this file. For instance, here we have 3 receipts, out of which these 2 are issues which have been dispatched. So the action is over. Now we have another receipt here which is active. We can choose this here and click on Detach option. Are you sure to detach selected receipts? When we click OK, the receipt is detached. But here it throws an alert saying it is being referred in some of the drafts. So, in the event of a receipt being referred as part of a draft, it cannot be detached. So what do we do here is use the More option and click on the Close button. Once I click on the Close button, we see that it comes to this page wherein a closing remarks has to be entered on the file. I enter the remarks as closed as action completed. Now, when I click on the Close button, it will ask me, are you sure to close the file? Now this file has been closed. When I go to this tab of Closed by Me, it shows this file that is present here. Let me open this file. Here the Edit, Send or among the draft, the Create New Draft options have been disabled. This means that the file has been closed. And when we click on the Correspondence tab and the list of correspondences appear here, we see that this receipt that we were unable to close is automatically closed. There is an option of reopen, meaning this receipt has been closed. So, the receipts that are attached as part of the correspondence, if they are not able to be detached, then it is detached or it is closed on its own when we close the file. However, when a file is attached as an attachment or when a receipt is attached as an attachment, we cannot close the file. Let's see how. Now, let me reopen this file. There is a reopen button here. I click on this reopen. It's asking me, are you sure you want to reopen? I click on OK button. The remarks are mandatory. Reopened as action required. OK. Now we see that the file comes back to our inbox. Now when we choose this file, and if we are going to attach a file to this file, say let me click on attach file. I'll choose this file and click on attach button. Now this says that this file number cannot be attached as they are either referenced or attachments or merged files. So this file already has an attachment, so it cannot be attached here. Now let me choose a different file. It is asking me comments to attach. I say attached for reference. Click on the OK button. Now this file has been attached. Now if I am planning to close this file using the More option, it says file having attached files or receipt cannot be closed. So what do? I check this box, click on detach file option, enter the remark, I say detached and press on OK button. Now this file has been detached in the detached remarks, and now when I try to close the file, I am able to close the file. So I'll enter the closing remarks and say close. So this shows the very process of closing file. Firstly, the closing permission needs to be there for the concerned person. Otherwise, the file has to be sent for closing approval to the higher authority. Secondly, any attached file or receipt present in the file, it means that the file cannot be closed. The files or the receipts need to be detached. However, if the receipt is attached as part of the correspondence, it automatically gets closed. In order to reopen the file, we go here closed by me and click on the reopen button. In case of any queries or doubts with respect to this video, you may reach out at vandana.raj@gov.in. Thank you.